National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fulton County, Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, northern Pulaski County in northwest Indiana, Stark County in northwest Indiana, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from 7 miles west of Hamlin to North Judson to Maryville, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops as expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Hamlet and Knox around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Winnemac around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Culp around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Plymouth around 10:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Argos around 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Dedham, Bass Lake, Beardstown, Ripley, Winona, Ora, Over, Oak Grove, Grovertown, and Van Meter Park. This severe thunderstorm warning replaces the previous severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag #NWSIWX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark.
At this point, people around here are expecting this to keep continuing, at least for the next few hours or so.
The National Weather Service